Now he's going to go to the front with it.
The boys.
Yeah.
Get out and push. Yeah, he'll kill it. Zachary, that's not going to work.
Zachary. Foot off of it.
Go forward. Nail it.
When you go forward, nail it hard.
Yeah.
Lean back when you do it. Oh, almost you let off.
Guess what? I like that hole.
Yeah, that's about the third time he's hit
I
it.
bet you can't do that again.
Oh, you bet.
He's going back up.
If he does it again, you can go get him out.
Well, he's going right there. He's got it right there.
There we go. Alright, get it in that hole.
Oh, we made it out this time.
Let's try it again.
Uh-oh, he's going. He's done passed.
I'm not going to look where I'm going. I'm going to play with the wheel.
I'm going to look where I've been.